Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then go to home screen and style if you're not in this panel, mark wallpapers. You can explore more wallpapers by tapping on more to enable online content. And then just pick the picture that you like the most, that you want to cover your screen with. I'll go with this one. Tap on apply. And then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. As we want to change wallpaper only, let's pick home screen. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.